In this video, I'll show you the basics of using Mullvad VPN on iPhone. I'll show you how to add time, change location, connect, check the VPN icon, disconnect, log out, and delete your account if needed. First, open the Mullvad VPN app on your iPhone. If you're not logged in yet, enter your Mullvad account number, then tap the green arrow button to log in. Once you're inside the app, you'll see the main connection screen. If your account has no time left, you'll need to add time before you can connect. To do that, tap the account icon in the top right corner. On the account screen, you should see your account number, device name, and how much paid time is left. To add time from your iPhone, tap Add 30 days time, then follow the payment steps on screen. You can also add time by logging into your account on the Mullvad website if you prefer. Once your account has time added, go back to the main screen. Now choose the VPN location you want to use. On iPhone, tap Select Location. Scroll through the country list. Tap the country you want to connect to. If you want to choose a specific city or server, tap the small drop-down arrow next to the country, then choose the city or server you want. If this is your first time using Mullvad on this iPhone, iOS may ask for permission to add VPN configurations. Tap Allow. Then use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to confirm. Once Mullvad connects, the top bar in the app should turn green and say Secure Connection. You can also check that the VPN is active by opening Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone. You should see the VPN symbol at the top while Mullvad is connected. Now your iPhone is connected through Mullvad VPN. To disconnect, go back to the Mullvad app. Tap Disconnect. It's best to disconnect from inside the Mullvad app, not from the iPhone control center. This helps Mullvad manage the VPN connection properly. If you want to log out of Mullvad, tap the account icon in the top right corner, then tap Log Out. Make sure you write down your Mullvad account number first if the account still has time on it. Once you log out, the app may still show the saved account number on the login screen. If you want to remove that saved number, tap the delete icon next to it. If you want to delete your Mullvad account completely, go back to the account screen while logged in. Look for the delete account option. Only use this if you are sure, because deleting a Mullvad account is irreversible and cannot be recovered. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Mullvad VPN on iPhone.